Good morning, all of you. Welcome and very warm welcome to the Brahan Mumbai Municipal Corporation, Education Department of Brahan Mumbai Municipal Corporation. Today, we are going to learn maths topic that is number work. Myself, Yogesh Kore from Dharavi Transit Camp Municipal English School number 1. Our HM, Mrs. Ujwala Konda ma'am, our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dumbre ma'am, our nodal beat officer, Mr. Sharad Kurade sir, our nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul ma'am, and our CNO, Mr. Ratilal Burungile sir. Let's start the today's lesson with a good thought. Today's good thought is practice makes man perfect. It means practice is very important in our day-to-day life in every field. It means it tells the importance of practicing regularly in a particular field. Practice means work being repeated regularly to achieve the success. Practice improves the skills of person. We can't reach the target without committed practice. So in every field, practice is must. Practice makes you a perfect in respective field. Today we are going to learn the number work. In this topic, we will study some sub point that is how to read and write the numbers, how to place value of 5-digit number, 6-digit number. After that, how to read the numbers and how to represent number on abacus, and we will learn expanded form of 5-digit number and 6-digit number. Now, student, what do you see in the picture?
Watermelon.
Yes. How many watermelon are there? Can you tell me, please?
One watermelon.
Yes, very good. One watermelon is there. Yes. Now, what do you see in the picture?
Pineapple.
Yes, pineapple is there. The picture is of pineapple. Okay. How many pineapples are there?
Two pineapple. Two pineapple.
Yes, very good. Now, what do you see in the picture?
Three bananas.
Yes, there are 3 bananas are given. They
in the
are,
picture.
yes, they are total 3.
Three bananas.
Okay, very good. And this one is?
Apple.
How many apples are there?
Four.
Yes, there are 4 apples. How will you know there are 4 apples are given? You have counted the number of fruits given on your screen. Then you are able to tell that there are 1, 2 or 3 or 4 things are given, right? It means that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, dash, dash, dash. These numbers are counting numbers. As you know that these are counting numbers. We called it as also as a there are 4 apples, and these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dash dash dash. These numbers are natural numbers. We called it as also counting numbers.
So four
You
apples.
have, yes, beta. You have learned in previous classes 1-digit number, 2-digit number, 3-digit number. You have already learned in first standard, second standard, in third standard. Okay. Now, in this Zoom class, we will study about the 4-digit number, 5-digit number, and 6-digit number and their expanded form. Okay. Okay. Can you tell me any two-digit number? Yes. Would you like to share 2-digit number? Any 2-digit number? Can you tell me? For example, you have to tell any two-digit number. Two-digit number means, for example, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Yeah, that's. These numbers are two-digit number. Like the same way, yes, beta. Yeah, yes, very good. Yes, that's great. So now, like the same way, these are the two-digit numbers. Like the same way, can you tell me three-digit number? Yes, can you tell me three-digit number? Now I had told you two-digit number. Like 19, 20, 21, 22. These are the two-digit number. Are we able to tell three-digit number?
Digit number 100.
Yes, very good. Well done. 100 is the three-digit number. Yes.
One double
Yes.
zero
Anybody else?
hundred
Can you tell other number? Yes. You are absolutely correct. 100 is the three-digit number.
one.
Can you tell other number? Three-digit number? Any three-digit number? Can you tell?
110.
Yes, girls. Koi?
110.
Okay. Well done.
110.
Yes, 110, 120, 130, 140, yeah, 121, 122, 123. These numbers are three-digit numbers. Three-digit number means there in this number there are three-digit givens. Like for example, 121. In this number, how many numbers are there? How many digits are there? 21. Three numbers. Okay. Which are they? 1, 2, and 1. These three digits are given in this number. So we called it as a three-digit number. These are the three-digit number. For your more information, you can see more three-digit numbers on your screen. Yes, can you read the three-digit number from your screen? Yes. Yes, would you like to read? Yes. You have to read only once.
399.
Yes.
200.
Yes.
299.
Yes, go
300.
further.
69.
69. Yes, very good. That's great. Well done. These are the 399, 600, 200, 299, 369. These numbers are of three digits. Why we called it as a three digit? Because in each number, you will observe in each number, there are three digits are given. For example, 399. In this number, which are the three numbers, which are the three digits are given? In the number 399, first number is 3, second number is 9, and third number is 9. Okay. Like the same way in the second number 600, which are the three digits in this number? First one is 6, second one is 0, and third one is also 0. Yes, it means that we can make conclusion from this screen. If there are three digits in the number, then we call it as a three-digit number. 399, 600, 200, 299, 369. These numbers are of three digits. Okay. You have already learnt in the previous class also. So can you read the next line from? Yes, 102. Or you can call it as a, or you can read it as a 102. While writing, you have to write like this 102. You have to write like HUNDRED and TWO in word form. Whenever you write this number, you have to write like this. Okay. Now read the next number. Next line.
320.
Yes, you can read.
20.
Yes.
320.
Yes. 320. This is also a three-digit number. Okay. Whenever you write this number, you have to write like this: THREEHUNDRED and 20. You have to write the spelling of each digit like 320 in the written form. Okay. And in the digit form, it is in front of you 320. And when you write it, so you have to write the spelling of each word. Okay. We have just seen the three-digit number. Now we will see the four-digit number. What do you see in the picture?
4-digit
Yes.
number.
Yes. Four-digit numbers. In there are three columns are given. The first column is symbols. Second column is numbers, and the third column is read as. It means how we have to read this number, and we have to write like this.
4,000.
Yes, yes, well done. Yes, go further.
1,000. 1,000.
Okay, very good. Let me explain. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, okay. What we have to observe from this table? There are three columns given. I have told you symbols, numbers, and readers. The third column is how to read the number and how to write the number. In the first column, you have to observe there is TH. TH is the symbol of thousand. Okay. Yes, it is the short form of thousand. TH. Okay. So in symbols column, you have to read the you have to observe the TH symbol. Then you have to read the number. Next column 1000, 100, and the third column you have to read and write like this 1000, or called you can also call it as a only thousand or 1000. Okay, like the same way the second row, look at the second row 4000, 400. This is the four digit number. Why we call it as a four digit number? Because
4,000.
yes, in this number four digits are given. Can you tell which are the four digits in the 4000? Which are the four digits in the 4000? Can you tell? Four, yes, very good. Next, 0,
0.
0, 0. Yes, good. 400 and 0. This is four digit number. And when you write this number, you have to write the spelling of each digit. Yes, each digit. Yes, 4000. Okay, like the same way. Next one, 2012. Yes, very good. Read the next one.
2000.
Read the next one.
2012.
Yes, good. 2203. It is given in the digit form, and also it is also given in the word form. That is in written form. In the third column. Which is the third column? Read as. Okay. Yes. Yes. Read the next one. 1010 means 10 means
1010.
yes, very good. 1010. Okay. Read the next one. 1001. Very good. Good. Read the next one.
314.
Yes, you can observe the last row of the table, that is 2314. In the symbol form, there are two thousands are given in the form of th. Okay, and after that 300s are given. You can observe. Can you see the 300s are given in the symbol column? H is given. Yes, it is given in the short form. 2000 th in the form are given, and 300, that is in the short form, 3h are given in the symbol column. Okay. Yes. So the last row is 2314. Yes. And these numbers are four digit numbers. Okay. Now we will see. Yes, we good. Now we will see the five digit number. Yes. Let's go further. Yes. Five digit number. Yes. In this, we will come to know that the largest one digit number, which is the number, can you guess?
Nine.
Yes, you can see on your screen also. Okay, very good, beta. And the largest two digit numbers, you have to tell the largest two digit number.
Double nine.
Yes, double nine. But we have to read it as a 99, not double nine. Huh? Be careful. Okay. Yes, 99. We have to read it as a 99. Yes. Which is the largest three digit number?
999.
Yes, 999. This is the largest three digit number. And which is the largest four digit number?
999.
Yes, well done. 9999. Whenever you write this number, you have to write the spelling of each number, each digit. Okay, like 999, like this. Okay. So, what is 9999 plus 1 is equal to, question mark is given. What will be the answer? You have to add 1 into the 9999.
9,009.
Yes.
9,000.
Yes. Okay. 9999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000. Okay. Yes. Now see, 999 plus 1 is equal to 10,000, and 10,000 is the smallest five digit number. How many how many digits are there in the 10,000?
7.
5. Okay. In the 10,000 number, there are five digit number. Which are the five digit? 1, 0, 0, 0 and 0. It means that 10,000 is the smallest five digit number. So, what will be the largest five digit number? What will be the largest five digit number? You have to listen carefully and respond me. Okay. What will be the largest five digit number? You can observe your screen, so you will get answer. Just you have to see the screen and tell me the answer. What will be the largest five digit number? Yes. Okay. 99999. This is the five digit number. Okay. Of five digit number. How to make a place where
1,000. 10,000,
value at
unit and unit. Thousand in the Maharashtra.
yes,
10,000, 100, 10 units. 600.
are five ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, and 10,000. Yes, these are the places. And in the short form,
Yes, sir.
yes, you can observe O for one, or you may call it as a unit. For the unit, you may write it as a U, capital U. Okay. Yes. After that, tens. For the tens, T capital is there. It is the short form. Okay. After that, hundred. For the hundred, H is the short form for the hundred. Yes, and we will refer the short form while solving such type of example based on four-digit number and six-digit number. Okay, and for thousand, TH. Yes, for thousand, TH is the short form, and also for the 10,000, TTH is the short form for the 10,000. And if the number is given in the lakh, for the lakh, L is the short form, and for the 10 lakh, TL is the short form. Okay, for lakh it is L, and for 10 lakh it is TL. Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay, very good. Now let's see by taking any one example, that is from a place to
6.
chart. For example, 28,456. Okay. So which number is at unit place or ones place? Can you tell me? Yes, you have to answer. Which number is at unit place? In the example, 28,456.
6.
Yes, very good. Six, six.
8,400,
Yes, very good. In the number, you have to observe the number 28,456, and we will learn from this slide, that is which number is at unit place, which number is at 10 place, which number is at 100 place, which okay, 1,000 place, and which number is at 10,000 place. Okay, so in this number, 6 is at unit place. At the 10 place, there is a 5 number is given. At 100 place, the 4 number is given. And at 1,000 place, 8 number is given. And at 10,000 place, the 2 number is given. Yes, got it? Let's see the next one. Yes, let's learn the more information about place values in 5-digit number.
Okay.
We are learning the 5-digit number.
Yes,
Yes, yes. Let's learn more information about yes,
70,000.
place values. Okay.
70.
Now there is another example is given. Yes, can you read the numbers? Which example is given? Yes,
70,000.
79,000, 79,536.
1,536.
Yes, well done.
9,536.
Yes,
79,000.
yes, very good.
36.
Yes, you have to take one precaution, that while reading the number, which number is at one place, that is unit place or 10 place, 100 place, 1,000 place, 10,000, lakh, and 10 lakh. So these, yes, this information you should
Unit.
yes, okay. So at one place, which number is given at one's place? 6. Okay. Which number is at 10 place? 3.
Hello,
So
hello,
its value is 3 into 10 is 30.
hello, hello, sir.
Yes.
Hello, sir. Hello, hello, hello.
Don't shout like this. You have to only answer.
Yes, sir.
Don't speak. Okay. Yes. 5 is at which place? 100 place, right?
Yes.
So the value of 500. Okay. Because it is at 100 place. So 5 into 100, it's a 500. Yes. Now 9 is at 1000 place. So 9 into 1000 is equal to
Please.
its place value is, yes, its place value of 9 is 9000. And yes, the last one is 10,000. Which number is at 10,000 place? 7.
7,
Right?
10,000.
Yes. 7 multiplied by 10,000 is equal to 70,000. Okay. And whenever we write this number, which number? 79,536. For example, whenever we write this number in expanded form, it is given on your screen at the bottom. Expanded form of 79,536 is equal to value of 7 is, yes, I had told you the value of 7 is 70,000 plus,
79,000.
yes, very good.
536.
Yes, very good. And the value of 9 is 9,000 and the place value of 5 is 500 plus the value of 3 is 30 and the value of 6, the place value of 6 is 6 because 6 is at ones place or unit place. Yes, okay. Let's learn how to show the 5-digit number on abacus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
We have just learned expanded form of 5-digit number, place value of 5-digit number, and now we will learn
61,000.
yes how to show 5-digit number on abacus. Okay, which number is given? For example, I have given you example. Represent the number.
0
Can you read the number?
10 is 6.
Yes, very good. 31,068. 31,068. Yes, very good. This number is given. And how to show this number on abacus? Let's see.
Yes.
You can see on your screen there are places are given, that is ones, that O for ones, T for tens, H for 100 place, TH for 1000 place, and TTH for 10,000 place. So you have to put the beads on the spike of ones. At once 8 number is given, so you have to put the 8 beads at one's place, which are indicated in red color, somewhat red color. Yes, can you see?
Yes.
How many beads are there? 8 beads are there. Yes, very good. Well done. Now, let's see in the yellow color, which number is at 10 place? Yes, very good.
60.
That's great. At 10 place, 6 number is given. So, you have to put 6 beads on the spike of tens. Okay.
Yes.
So, at the place of tens, on the spike of tens, 6 beads are put. Okay. Which are indicated in yellow color. Okay. Now, next see.
300.
Which number is 100 place?
0.
Yes, very good. The 0 is 100 place. So there is no any beads on the spike of 100. Okay. Tell me which number is at 1000 place?
1.
Yes, very good. At the 1000 place,
Is 1.
there is only one bead. Yes. So you have to put the only one bead only one beads at 1,000 spikes. Okay. Now, which number is at 10,000 place?
3.
Only one.
Yes, very
3.
good.
Three.
At the 10,000 place, the three numbers is given. So you have to put the three beads at the 10,000 spike. Okay, which are indicated in green color. TTH 10,000 place. The three beads are given. Three number is given. So you
10,000.
have to put yes three beads at the 10,000 spike. Okay. Yes. And this is how we have to show five digit number on abacus.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Well done. Yes.
Thank you, sir.
Till now we have learned about the all about the five digit number. Now we will learn about the six digit number. Like the same way, yes, it is very simple one. As we learn about the five digit number, what we have learned about five digit number? It's place value chart, right? How to read the five digit number, how to represent the five digit number on abacus, and the expanded form of five digit number. Like the same way, we have to learn about the six digit number. Now, see,
Yes, sir.
yes. Now, can you tell me the largest five digit number?
Yes. 99,999 plus 1.
Yes, yes. If we add
100,000.
99,999 plus 1 is equal to
100,000.
1 lakh. Yes, you can read it as a 1 lakh, and which is the smallest six digit number. 1 lakh is the smallest six digit number. Why we call it as a six digit number? Because in this number, six digits are given, and which are the six digit? 1000000. Okay. What is the largest six digit number? The number is on your screen. What is the largest six digit number?
That 99. That 999.
Yes, 9,99,999. Yes. How will you read? 9,99,999.
This
Yes.
is number.
Yes. Well done. This is the largest six digit number. Okay. Fine. Now see place value chart of six digit number. As we learn about the place value chart of five digit number, like the same way, this is the place value chart of six digit number. In this number also, there are places like ones, O for ones, T for tens, and these are the short form. O, T, H. These are the short form. Yes.
Okay, sir.
H for 100, TH for 1,000, TTH for 10,000, and lakh, L for lakhs. Okay.
100, 10,
Yes, very good.
and unit 0.
Yes. I hope you understand all the places of five digit number and six digit number.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yes. Now let's see one example like the five digit number. We will see the example of six digit number. How to uh, place value of six digit number. Okay. Let's see one
92,
example. Yes.
9 lakh
Let's see. 9,28,456.
56.
Yes. And you have to observe in this number, 6 is at ones place, so you have to write the 6 in ones column. 5 is at tens place, so you have to write the 5 at 10 place. 4 is at 100 place, so you have to write the 4 is at hundreds column. 8 is at 1,000 place, so you have to write the 8 at thousands column. And 2 is at 10,000 place, you have to write the 2 at 10,000 place. Okay, column. And the last one is 9 is at lakhs place. So you have to write the 9 in the column lakhs. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So yes. And how will you read this number? Can you read the repeat one?
9
So other student.
28,000.
Yes. Yes. Very good.
10,456.
Yes. 9,28,456. Yes, that's great one. There is another concept that is marking periods in six-digit numbers. And for example, we have taken for first example how to mark the periods while reading. How to mark the periods in the six-digit number. Let's see.
28,751.
70.
28,751.
Yes. Yes, 751. Okay. So whenever you read it, this number, there you have to mark the periods. Okay, like this. Ones period in the group of ones, tens, and hundred places together. You have to read the 751. You have to read these three numbers at once. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is one spread. Yes, this is one spread. And after that, 28 is the thousand period. Okay. Yes, thousand period. And in thousand period, 1,000 and 10,000, we have to include. Yes, this. Okay. And 9 is at lakh place. Okay. So whenever you read this number, you have to read like this. 9.
1,000 place. 100.
Yes, very good.
And
9,28,751.
what is unit place?
Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, and this is how we have to show the marking periods in the six-digit numbers. Yes, and we have to take precautions while reading six-digit numbers. Mark periods. Okay, that is ones and thousand place and lakh place. Okay, this is also another example. As we learn about five-digit number, this is also example of six-digit number. Yes.
sir.
Yes. We can go through this example.
Korea.
Which number is given on your screen? Can you read in the column? Correct. You have to read correctly.
8,79,000.
Yes, very good.
36.
36. Yes, well done. 8,79,536. This number is given on your screen. So you will get more idea about which number is at which place. Like the 6 is at one's place, 3 is at tens place, 5 is at hundreds place, 9 is at thousand place, 7 is at 10,000 place, and 8 is at lakh place. Yes. So the value of 8 is 8 lakh. Yes, you can see on your screen. Value of 8 is 8 lakh. Value of 7 is 7,000, 70,000. Value of 9 is 9,000. Value of 5 is 500. And value of 3 is 30. And value of 6 is 6. Okay, very good. Yes. Yes.
Homework.
Yes. This is also, as we learn about five-digit number, this information is about six-digit number. We will learn the expanded form of 8,79,536. So what is the value of 8 is 8 lakh plus 70,000 plus 900,000 plus 500 plus 30 plus 6. Yes, and this is the expanded form of six-digit number, and the example is on your screen. Okay. So let's move further. Yes, this is the last concept from the six-digit number, that is how to show the six-digit number on abacus. Okay, The number is given on your screen. Which number is given? 5,31,068. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
8 is at ones place. So you have to put the beads on the
Yes,
8
sir.
beads on the spike of ones. Okay. And which are indicated in red color and which are indicated in yellow color. There are 6 beads. You have to put the 6 beads on the spike of 10 place. Okay. So these are indicated in yellow color. Okay. After that, at the 100 place, there is 0. So there is no any beads at the spike of 100. Okay. At the spike of 1000, there is only one beads. Okay, one digit is there. So you have to put the only one beads at 1000 spike. Okay. At the 10,000 spike, how many beads are there? You can observe which are indicated in green color. At 10,000, place 3 beads. 3 number is given, so you have to put the 3 beads at the 10,000 spike. Okay. And the last one is 5. 5 is at lakh space. So you have to put the 5 beads at the spike of lakh.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
good. Yes, well done. Yes. And you have to read this number. Yes, you have to read this number. Who will read?
4,536.
Ah, yes. In the first, the number is given in the digit form or in the figure, and in the second one, it is given in the word form. Okay. Yes, 4,000.
27,105.
Yes, 27,105. This number is also given in figure and it is also given in the word form. Whenever you write this number, you have to write like this: 27,105. Whenever you write this number, you have to write the spelling of each digit number. Okay, and this number also you have to read. Can you read one or two number from from your screen?
Yes, sir.
Yes, you can read.
Yes.
1001. Yes, very good. Yes, go further.
5,105. 9,009.
Yes.
3,009. 7,308. 4,040.
Yes, very good. That's great. As you have read all these number, you have to write these number in the word form. Word form. Okay. Like 1000, O-N-E, 1000 means THOUSAND, like this. Okay. 1001. 1 O-N-E. Okay. Like this. Like this, you have to write this number on in your notebook. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now, please take a homework.
Yes, sir.
Down the homework in your notebook. Yes. You may take a screenshot or you may write in your notebook. Now we have a less time, so you can take a screenshot of the screen. And after that, you can note it down in your notebook.
Thank you, sir.
So we will stop here.
Online.
Thank you.